Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do topic 33 of paper 2. Here we will discuss seed quality, classes of improved seeds and genetic purity of seeds. So first of all, what is seed quality? Seed quality. So it is the possession of seed. It is the possession of seed with required genetic, physical purity that is accompanied by with physiological soundness and health of seeds. That is accompanied by physiological soundness and health states. So as from the definition, you could easily understand that what is quality? Something which is pure, something which doesn't have any type of contamination. So that is what quality is. So what is seed quality? The seed that is pure, that doesn't have any contamination, any mixtures, any mechanical mixtures, anything like it. So a seed which is genetically and physically pure, its genes and its physicality, if both are pure, then it is having best quality. If both are pure, obviously its physiological status will be good, its germination will be good, it will give you good yield. So this is what seed quality is. Now what are major seed quality? What factors? Through what factors you can say that seed is good or is of good quality? First one is physical quality. That is cleanness of seed. Seed is clean. Seed doesn't contain any kind of mechanical mixtures, any contamination, any brokerage, any injury. If the seed is clean and smooth, then it is physically pure. Genetic purity. The genes of seeds are pure. We are not having, suppose we are producing seed of a cross-pollinated species, and we are developing a controlled cross pollination, but due to some reasons there is a mechanical mixture, or you can say contamination, some other pollen develop there and pollinate your crops, then the genes of those crops will be not the required genes, or not the genes we are expecting. It will be not genetically pure. Thirdly, physiological quality. So what is physiological quality? It is the expression of seed in further generation. How seed expresses itself in coming generations, in its yields. Expression of seeds in coming generations. It has good viability, good vigor and viability. And lastly, seed health. That is, seed is free from any diseases. So this is what seed health is. So this was about seed quality. I hope you all understand this. Now moving on, what are the types or classes of improved seeds? Types or classes of improved seeds. This is very important. This has been asked in previous years several times, so it becomes very important for you. Types and classes of improved seeds. The first one is nucleus seed. So these are seeds of improved variety. Suppose we have some improved variety of any crop. So the improved seeds of those variety, or the seeds of those improved variety, is what nucleus seed is, and it is always limited in quantity. So if you go to market and tell the shopkeeper, give me nucleus seed, I want to grow it, it is not possible, because this seed needs to be produced to another, its progeny needs to be multiplied, so that availability is in enough quantity that can be used. So nucleus seed is always limited in quantity. It is genetically 100% pure, 100% genetically pure. And it is used for production of breeder seed, and it is not used for general, it is not meant for general distribution. You will not get this seed in market because it is in limited quality. Secondly, we have got breeder seed. So this is the progeny of nucleus seed. Progeny of nucleus seed. So it is, as the name suggests, breeder seed. That is, it is produced by a breeder. So it is produced under strict supervision. Under strict supervision. By a breeder, or by a research farm, in a research farm by a breeder, or you can say it can be produced in some agriculture university, some crop research institute. So these are the places where we can get breeder seeds. It is also 100% pure, 100% genetically pure, genetically and physically pure, 100% genetically and physically pure, and the purity here is maintained by rugging. I have explained you what is rugging. That is elimination of off types, because when we are planting, suppose we are developing breeder seed in agriculture university, so there would be environmental factors, there would be dust, there will be pollen grains. So there are chances that, suppose we are growing 100,000 plants, so there will be chances that 25-50 plants would be not of that standard quality. Then how can you say that our seed is 100% pure? So there we do rugging. What we did, that we just remove those off type plants, as those 50 or 25 plants that has not been up to mark, we will just remove it, so that our 100% purity is maintained. And it is used for production of foundation seed. And it is also not meant for general distribution. If you go to market and ask for breeder seed, you will not get it, because from it we produce foundation seed, and it is also in limited quality, because one agriculture university in a state, or two agriculture university of state in a state which produces breeder seed, will not be able to give those seeds to all the farmers of the state. So thirdly, that is foundation seed. So it is the progeny of breeder seed. It is produced by National Seed Corporation. National Seed Corporation under strict supervision. It is genetically 100% pure. Genetically 100% pure. But physical purity is more than 98% or 98%. So physical purity is about 98%. So do you imagine how, when we come to the lower levels of seed, that is foundation seed, why the physical purity decreases? But in breeder seed and nucleus seed, the physical purity was also 100%, because the quantity we are producing. If you produce 5 seeds, or 5 plants, there will be less chances of any physical difficulties or physical problem. But when you produce 1,000 seeds, you are producing here in much more amount as compared to breeder seeds or nucleus seeds. So there are chances of physical contamination, because you cannot substitute environmental factors in agriculture. So here 98% of physical purity is permitted, and genetically it is also 100% pure. So for production of this seed, after production of this seed, certification is required. We certify these seeds as through certificates. We certify these seeds, and it is also not meant for general distribution. Now number 4 is, after foundation seed we have got registered seed. So it is the progeny of foundation seed. Progeny of It is the progeny of foundation seed. It is 100% genetically pure. It is also 100% genetically pure, but it is also 98% physical purity, because it is the progeny of foundation seed. And if foundation seed is 98% physically pure, then how can you expect registered seeds to be more pure than it? So it is also 98% physically pure. Here also certification is required, and it is used to produce certified seeds. And it is also not meant for general distribution. So, and you should know one thing, that in India, so after a registered seed we produce certified seed, and this certified seed is used for commercial distribution. But in India, what happens, generally this registered seed is omitted. We used to produce certified seed directly from foundation seeds only. We do not go to this stage of registered seeds. So you must remember this, is very important. And directly we produce certified seeds that we need to, that is commercially used directly from foundation seed instead of going to registered seed. This is usually practiced in India. To save time, to save labor, we have such a big agricultural economy that sometimes omitting one process saves a lot of time, which is useful for our farmers. And number 5, that is certified seeds. It is the progeny of foundation or registered seeds. Foundation or registered seeds. It is produced in fields of progressive farmers. Farmers can produce it. Progressive farmers, those farmers who want to commercially sell seeds, progressive, or grow it in their fields. Progressive farmers under supervision of State Seed Certification Agency. Under supervision of State Seed Certification Agency. So what happens? Suppose I am a progressive farmer. I am producing the certified seeds. So how will you know that I am using my supervision is good, the seeds are pure? So for that, State Seed Certification Agency certified seeds. Suppose I am claiming that my seeds are certified seeds. The name here suggests certified from certification. So suppose I am claiming that I have produced good seeds, it can be used in the fields of farmers. So I will have then State Seed Certification Agency will give me a certificate that yes, after checking everything, after visiting your fields or seeing the quality of the seeds, it will give me a certificate that yes, your seeds are certified seeds. That is, your seeds are 100% genetically pure and 98% physically pure. So after getting this certificate, I can sell these seeds commercially. So these seeds are used for commercial crop production, used for commercial crop production. So these were the types of improved seed classes, or improved seeds, or classes of improved seeds. So this was about certified seeds. I hope you all understand this. Now moving to the next topic, that is genetic purity of seeds. It refers to some clean distinguished characters. Refers to some clean distinguished characters and absence of seeds having different genotypes, and absence of seeds, having different genotypes. So these seeds have clean distinguished characters and different genotypes of types are not here. So those seeds that is of types are not easily distinguished in their characters are not genetically pure. So what are the importance? Why we need genetically pure seeds? Importance. Improved variety must be uniform in their characters. Uniform characters. So when we are producing improved varieties, so it must be uniform in characters. Improved for production of improved varieties. We also know that genetic purity of breeder seeds would be 100%, and certified seed must be more than 99% or 98%, more than 98 or 99%. Certified should be around 98% or more. It helps in plant variety protection. Helps in plant variety protection, registration and certification. And loss of genetic purity causes developmental variations. If a seed is not genetically pure, it will cause developmental variations in seeds. Developmental variations. Seed will be not as pure. Its development will be not up to the mark. And this assures high quality or to produce better agronomic performance. The seed with high genetic purity always will give you high yields. Will always show high agronomic performance. So this was about genetic purity of seeds. Now, various approaches for testing genetic purity. How can we test a seed for genetic purity? Various approaches for testing genetic purity. First approach is conventional grow out test. We will grow the plant under certain conditions, and if the growth is good, then we will say that it is genetically pure. We can do chemical tests such as testing for secondary metabolites, sense carrying molecules, we can do electrophoresis test, we can do biochemical marker associated test, or we can also do molecular marker associated test. I have discussed in detail molecular markers and marker assisted technology in the previous lectures, so you must see their marker associated test. So that is all for today. Keep making notes. I tell you in every lecture and every session that the notes you are going to make are your Brahmastra. More than 80-90%, almost every question will be directly from your notes. So keep making your notes, keep value adding to your notes. That's all for today. Have a nice day. For any queries, do comment. If you like it, please press the like button. Do share and subscribe. Thank you.